Hi, this is Oma's reading time. So we're going to read today, Go Dog Go. Here we go. Dog. Big dog. Look how big that dog is. Little dog, little tiny dog. Big dogs and little dogs. Look at all the big dogs. There's a big dog, there's a little dog, a big dog, a little dog. Black and white dogs. Look, they're all black and white. They're different ones, different spots with black. There's a white dog, a black dog, a black and white dog. Hello. Hello. The dogs are greeting each other. Do you like my hat? Look, the dog is wearing a silly hat. Goodbye. Goodbye. They say goodbye. Oh, look at this one. One little dog going in. He's going into the maze, inside. Three big dogs going out. 1, 2, 3, going out, out. A red dog and a blue tree. That's silly. Trees aren't blue, huh? But the red dog is sitting on top of the tree. A blue dog on a red tree. Look, here's a blue dog and a red tree. Red tree. And a green dog on a yellow tree. Like yellow, green. A green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. They're driving in cars. How silly. A yellow dog and a blue car. A yellow car and a red dog. Over here we have a blue dog and a yellow dog, and their cars smushed. They got smushed. A yellow car and a red car got smushed. Got a crash. Two big dogs going up. Up, 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 up. Look how big they are. Big, big dogs. And what color are they? They're red. Red, red dogs. And they're in yellow little cars. And a little dog going down. Down. Yellow cart and a blue dog, a little blue dog, little. The green dog is up high. Green dog in a little back bucket, and he's up high, he's up. And a yellow dog is down, down, yellow dog, down. The blue dog is in. See the blue dog? He's inside the doghouse. Blue dog in. And the little red dog is out of the doghouse. One dog is on top of the house. He's blue, isn't he? See the blue dog? And he's sitting on top of the house. Three dogs down in the water. 1, 2, 3. Red dogs. But this dog is silly. All you see is his feet. He's upside down in the water. They're playing in the water. A green dog over a tree. He's flying over top of the tree. Look at that. Over the tree. And the yellow dog is under the tree. Under the tree and over the tree. Yeah. Two dogs in a house on a boat in the water. That's a lot. Two dogs, 1, 2, and they're red. They're in a blue house. They're in the house. That house is on a boat, and that boat is floating on the water. Wow, that's a lot. A dog over the water, because he's diving in. He's over the water. And a dog under the water. He's swimming under the water. Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? Look at her silly hat. Oh my goodness, she's got so many things in her hat. So many things. I do. What a hat. I like it. I do. It's a pretty hat. And the yellow dog says he likes her silly hat. Goodbye. Goodbye. And they say goodbye. Bye. And that's the end. Go, dog, go. Oma loves you.